Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Chester, the investor, the place where you go when you have no life. You're probably a lone wolf if you made it this far. Nobody comes to this channel, and it's for good reason. I just wanted to go over my portfolio today. I wanted to show you some ups and downs, and as you can see, I had some serious ups and downs today. Holy shit. Look, started the day off real nice and smooth and decided to jump around like a jackass. I went all the way down, and you can't get any straighter line down. You just can't unless you're going to go backwards. Look at that line. It's just a straight dip down. I mean, I just nosedived. And then I said, fuck that. I changed my positioning, went elsewhere, and came right the fuck back out of the hole. And how did I do that? Tesla. Whenever I fall down, Tesla always picks me back up. And then I started having a decent day, as you can see. I started riding the waves. I call these the waves. You see them? Riding the fucking waves until Donald Trump and Dr. Fauci went on TV and opened their big fucking mouths talking all this stupid shit. And I apologize for the quality of my video. I don't have much, you know. There's no subscribers here. Nobody's leaving comments. Nobody's signing up using my link. I'm not sharing anything. I'm not giving you advice. I got an air conditioner blowing in the background because it's fucking 105 degrees outside. So the quality sucks, okay? I'm just trying to inform you guys of what the hell's going on in the markets today. Look at my fucking score. I almost had $22,000 today. And then it went down, then it went up, then it went down. And now look, I'm stuck. I'm almost back to where I fucking began yesterday. It's like a wasted fucking day. What was the point of even waking up today? You know? So this is after closing time. As you can see, it says after hours. The market has been closed for about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. It's about 4:30 Eastern Standard Time. You know? And I'm not happy. I'm not happy with this. Did I have a good day? No, I didn't. So I'm going to show you some of my plays. As you know, I'm all over the fucking map. I'm fucking buying in, selling out, buying in, selling out, buying in. I don't know. I've been doing this for fucking 45 days. I'm having fun. I'm a fucking master by now. I know what I'm doing. It's working. You know? It's working. I'm up almost 10 grand. I've almost doubled my money. Look at my all time. Look at my all time. Some people make that in 5 years. They get 50% returns in 5 years. Who the fuck wants to do that? I'm not here for that. I'd rather go out and play out in the fucking street like Frogger. I'm not in the mood to make fucking $500 a year, $200 a year, even $1,000 a year. Hell, $2,000 a year. I'm not in the mood for that. I want to fucking make $2,000 a fucking day. I want to make $2,000 at the roll of the dice. I want to fucking buy a stock and turn around 10 minutes later and go, holy fuck, what the hell's going on here? I just made 2 G's. That's what I'm looking for. I want to make fucking 40, 50% every fucking day. Holy shit. I want to be in the fucking stock market. That's why I got into this. Look at my fucking thing sinking. I'm sinking right now. I made $100 today. Who wants to make $100? I can make that fucking outside. I can make that on Craigslist selling my fucking ass. Look at it sinking. I'm about to break even. It's like I wasted my time today. I was up 5% on the day. I don't even have 1% anymore. I'm almost wiped out. Look at this. I'm still fucking sinking. But I know what I'm doing because overall I'm up 50%. You have your ups and downs, people. That's what happens in the fucking stock market. Okay? It can't just go up. So when you have your down days, just turn away from it. But I can't help. I have to keep checking. I keep looking. I keep fucking looking. I keep fucking checking my phone. I keep getting stressed the fuck out. I keep popping more Adderalls. Look at this. So I'm going to show you where I'm at for plays now. And before I go any further, the information presented here is not necessarily that of myself or anybody else that participates, even in the comments, okay? This is for entertainment and educational purposes only, and I can neither confirm nor deny the accuracy of any of it. Now, am I I can't even fucking say it, so clearly I'm not, okay? You make up your own fucking decisions. Don't come back and say, oh, Chester the investor told me to buy fucking 15,000 shares of Shipment. And now I'm fucked because I listened to him. Don't come after me. Go after those Wall Street jerks. Go after Dr. Fauci. So I changed my position today. Let's take a look at Tesla. I bought Tesla at $1,000. I grabbed 20 shares because I was fucking falling in the cracks today. And I always use Tesla to save my ass. Now I've purchased Tesla at $700. I've purchased it at $800. I purchased it at $900. And every time I purchase it, I make sure I sell it at more than I purchased it, obviously. And then when I want to buy back in, I buy back in. And that's what I do. I bought it back in today at $1,000. Now I own it for $1,000. I got 20 shares now, though. So what I do is I make these little plays all day long. Okay? A couple days ago, I played IVR. Okay? It's Invesco Mortgage Capital. Okay? There's still great potential there. Why did I sell it? Because I wanted to go and jump ship, literally, and I jumped into a stock today called, the ticker symbol is SHIP. Okay? And trust me, it was great. It started off at 19 cents. I bought right into it today. And good thing I sold it because it did exactly what ships do. It fucking sank, okay? That's what it did. It was like the fucking Titanic, the biggest, most beautiful ship all day long. It fucking cruised from 20 cents, 21 cents, 23 cents, 27 cents, 33 cents. Every fucking penny was making me about $500 or something. No, I'm sorry. Every penny I was making about $100 on the penny. Yeah, just about $100, maybe $150 per penny. Per penny. If this fucking thing drops down another fucking dollar, I'm out. I'm going to end the video. I'm going to call it a night. All right? We need upside here. Upside. So, I did a little swing. What the hell are all these fucking notifications I'm getting? What the hell was that? I did a swing trade today. I did a day trade today with SHIP, which is Synergy. Okay? Some fucking boat and shipment company out of Greece. Okay? And like I said, it went from 20 cents to 33 cents. Did I sell it at 33? No, I sold it at 27. I still made money. Okay? I took the money, I turned it around, and I reinvested it into these three main stocks. Apple, Microsoft, and Tesla. These are my go-to stocks. These are the stocks I keep dumping money into. And every now and then, I'll day trade on something. And the money I make from the day trade, I'll put it back into these stocks here. And if I see something that I really have faith in, or I think, or I believe that it's going to go up, I might take Tesla and sell it all. I'll sell 20 shares of Tesla. I'll take all these shares and I'll go dump it onto a few day trades that I think are going to go up. And then all the profit that I make from the day trades, I come back in here, I'll buy Tesla back, and I might have some extra to buy Apple and Microsoft. I keep doing that. That's why my overall is over 50% in returns. The account says 20 grand, but I've almost made 10 grand. So I've literally doubled my money. That's not bad. Most people don't do that. But you don't want to see the market tank like this. Look at this. Before I started making this video, I was at 21. What the hell's that? Was that another Chester investor video? Before this, I was at almost $22,000. Now I'm at 21. So, and I'm about to go down to 20. So this is just heartbreaking. That's the name of the game. That's the way it is. So I bought some more Apple today. I got 31 shares now at $334. I got Microsoft. Microsoft was up there today. It was up there. It's starting to fall back a little bit, but I got an average cost of $194. I got 45 shares there, and I got 20 shares of Tesla. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day, folks. I'm not happy with today. On the day, I pretty much made it nothing. Look at that. Soon it'll wipe itself out. The 121 that I made will wipe itself out. I know how it goes. I've read this book before. There I am on the week. As you can see, I've had an amazing week. I started day trading right about here. I started doing some swing day and day trading here, and obviously it worked out great. And now I am where I am now. The past month, $6,800, up 48%. And the past 3 months, I've only been doing this for this is going to remain on the same because I've only been doing this for about 45 days. So that's all, folks. Just a profile of just a portfolio update. Nothing really going on here. I only keep 3 main stocks. I believe Apple is one of the most strong. This is my favorite company, which is why I got it on number 1 here. It's right there, number 1. This is probably my favorite company. If I had a choice, I would just put all my money here. If I had only one choice, all my money would just go here, because as you can see, the returns here are great. I mean, look at this for the month, 13% on a month, 54% in 3 months, 55% in 3 months. 84%. It's up 84% in a year. Why not just put all your money here? Can't go wrong, right? Apple's doing better than I do on the day trading. I mean, I'm only up 50% in 45 days. They got me beat. What are they up? What's Apple up in a month? Does that make any sense to anybody? No, I got them way beat. I'm killing it over here. Look at that. Oh man, Apple's, and then I got Microsoft. Microsoft is a great company. I love putting my money here and leaving it here because it only goes up. It only goes up. I don't care what anybody says. This is financial advice. Now I'm going to give you financial advice. You put your money in Apple and Microsoft, it goes up. All right? Take that as financial advice. Those are facts. Tesla, it's kind of risky, but I have a lot of faith in this company, and I believe it's built itself up to the point of where this Tesla should be $1,500 a share, and I can't wait till it gets there. That's where Tesla should be, and that's where it's going, folks. And that's all I got. That's it. That's my profile update. I'm going to sign off before it starts sinking. Here we go. 20,900 sinking away. That's how it goes. And then I'll go look at my phone at about 8 o'clock at night, and then it's all the way back up. It makes no fucking sense. This is fucking ridiculous. All right, folks, kiss my ass. No one's here even listening. I'm probably talking to myself anyway, so if anybody's listening, I don't know, go down the bottom if you don't have Rob, which you probably do. Who the fuck? If you're watching this, you probably have Robinhood. But if you don't, use my link. I'll give you a shout out. I don't have anybody. Look at this. No one's ever used my link. Where do you see that at? Look at my free stocks. I got none. Nobody gives a shit about me. I have no views. I have no followers. I have nothing. I don't mind talking to myself. This is like relieving for me especially after a day like today. Look, I made $121 and then they take it away from me. You fucking kidding me right now? I'm done.